Welcome to the City of Burleson. We are committed to providing information, tools, and resources to help you make sound benefits decisions to ensure you have the coverage you need. In this presentation, we'll explore your benefits options with overviews of key benefits to consider. Let's get started. First, let's talk eligibility. Because you are a full-time, regular employee and working at least 30 hours per week on a regular basis, congratulations, we've got you covered. You may also enroll your eligible dependents in medical, dental, vision, and life insurance benefits. Eligible dependents include your legally married spouse or registered domestic partner, and your children up to age 26, which includes your natural children, stepchildren, adopted children, your registered domestic partner's children, and children for whom you have legal custody. This can also include disabled children age 26 or older who meet certain criteria. Please note that any elections you make upon your hire or during open enrollment will be effective for the entire plan year. There is one exception. If you experience a qualifying life event mid-year, you can change certain pre-tax benefits within 30 days of the event to match your new reality. Generally, an event is considered a qualifying life event when you or your dependents experience marriage or divorce, birth or adoption of a child reaching the maximum age limit, death of a spouse, registered domestic partner or child, change in child custody, change in coverage election made by your spouse or registered domestic partner during their employer's open enrollment, you or your dependents' loss of coverage on another plan. It is important to meet the 30-day enrollment deadline for any qualifying life events. If you miss the deadline, you will have to wait until our annual open enrollment period to update your coverage. Let's discuss when your benefits will go into effect. New hires do not have a waiting period after enrolling. You will need to enroll within your first 2 weeks of employment, and you can begin using your benefits immediately. Your premium deductions will begin on your first paycheck. When you enroll during open enrollment in October, your elections take effect when the new plan year begins January 1st. Any applicable premiums begin with your first paycheck in January. If you experience a qualifying life event, you must make your elections within 30 days of the event date. Your elections will take effect as of the qualifying event date, provided you enroll on time. Premium deductions will be made from the effective date of coverage. Now let's dive into your benefits program. First stop, your health benefits. We are proud to offer medical coverage that not only provides coverage for illness and injury, but also enables you and your family to focus on staying well. Each plan includes comprehensive medical and prescription drug coverage, but you may also choose to waive coverage. If you waive our medical coverage, you are eligible for the $200 per month opt-out benefit. The opt-out benefit is paid biweekly in payroll and is considered taxable income. Both of our medical plans are exclusive provider organization, or EPO plans, using the Choice Network. EPO plans offer in-network benefits only. However, we also offer an extended non-network reimbursement program, or ENRP, to reimburse you for out-of-network claims. Please note, your provider can charge you the difference in what the plan covers and their rate. There is no guarantee of coverage out-of-network under this plan. Remember, no matter which plan you choose, you can schedule your annual preventive exam even if it's been less than 12 months since your last exam. There is no waiting period required between appointments. Regular checkups are the best way to stay on top of your health and ensure your well-being. Here are both plans, side by side with a summary of their coverage. Don't worry, you also have access to your current benefits guide in paper or electronic format for a closer review. Here are a few of our medical plan highlights. Your age-appropriate wellness visit is covered 100%. Virtual visits cost less than a visit to urgent care or the emergency room. Our prescription benefit includes retail pharmacy and mail order options. Our high-deductible HSA plan features a health savings account. A health savings account, or HSA, is your personal healthcare savings vehicle. It enables you to set aside pre-tax dollars through payroll deductions to help cover qualified healthcare expenses. Examples include medical, dental, and vision expenses not covered by your insurance. The city will automatically set up your HSA account with HSA Bank. Be prepared to provide documents to verify your identity to HSA Bank if needed. You can either use your HSA funds to pay for qualified healthcare expenses now, or you can pay out of your own pocket and save them for future healthcare expenses, even those in retirement. The city makes its HSA contribution to your account in 2 deposits, one half in January and the second half in July. Each deposit for employee-only coverage will be $500 and $1,000 for all other tiers. Please note that if you were hired after January 1st or July 1st, your first HSA City contribution will be prorated based on your hire date. Your optional HSA contribution plus the City HSA contribution combined may not exceed the annual IRS limit. You can reference your current benefits guide for the annual IRS limit. The HSA has what we like to call a triple tax advantage. First, you contribute funds pre-tax through payroll deductions. This means the money comes out of your paycheck before income tax is calculated. In other words, you get to keep a bigger portion of your paycheck. Second, HSA funds grow tax-free. It's like a healthcare 401k. Unused funds roll over from year to year. So the more you save, the more your account will grow. And third, if you need to use your HSA funds, you can withdraw them tax-free to pay for qualified healthcare expenses now and in the future, even in retirement. You own and control the money in your HSA. You decide how you want to spend your funds. You can use your HSA to pay for doctor's visits, prescriptions, braces, glasses, even laser vision correction surgery. And finally, your HSA is yours for life. The money is yours to spend or save even if you change health plans, retire, or end your employment with the city. The HRA offers a reimbursement benefit. This benefit provides you and each of your dependents with a $1,000 benefit to help offset the deductible for inpatient services, and another $1,000 benefit for outpatient. Outpatient services can be used 3 times per year per family unit. This HRA reimbursement is only available for copay HRA plan members. An FSA is a special account that allows you to set aside pre-tax dollars to help cover qualified health care and/or dependent care expenses. Let's take a closer look at how FSAs work, step by step. First, you contribute to your FSA via convenient, pre-tax payroll deductions up to the IRS annual contribution limit. The money deducted from your paycheck goes directly into your FSA before federal and Social Security taxes are calculated, meaning you do not pay taxes on this money. The result is that your taxable income is reduced, and you get to keep a greater portion of your paycheck. Then, you can use your FSA funds to reimburse yourself, tax-free for qualified expenses. And finally, if you have any funds remaining in your FSA at the end of the plan year, they will be forfeited. So you should carefully consider your anticipated expenses when determining how much to contribute to your FSA. The exception is the Healthcare FSA and Limited Purpose Healthcare FSA. These accounts are eligible to have some funds carry over at the end of the calendar year. But any unused funds over the allowed carryover will be forfeited. See Guidebook for details. Depending on what you want your funds to go toward, you can enroll in a Healthcare FSA for qualified healthcare expenses, a Limited Purpose Healthcare FSA to help you pay for eligible dental, orthodontia, and vision expenses, or a dependent care FSA to help pay for dependent care expenses. Each account has different annual limits. Please note that the limited purpose FSA is only available to HDHP HSA plan members. The city not only provides medical coverage to help you stay well, we also offer a variety of programs, tools, and resources to help you make informed healthcare decisions. With the United Healthcare Advocate for Me program, the Advocate team takes the hassle out of healthcare and helps explain your medical bills, coordinate care, compare costs for treatment, and more. When you need lab work done, you'll likely pay less when you use a LabCorp Quest facility than when you go outside of the network. These facilities are also our preferred labs. The orthopedic programs offer advice, support, and guidance when you have pain in your back, knees, or hips and want information about surgery. Erosty providers work to help you find the root cause of chronic pain and give you relief as quickly as possible, while reducing the need for prescription painkillers. OneRx is a free app that helps you save money on your prescriptions with access to special discounts and coupons. Plus, it helps you track your medications. OneRx is tied to your UHC medical plan, so you'll need your medical card information on hand when you sign up. Colonial Life is our supplemental benefits vendor. Colonial Life offers benefits such as accident, critical illness, and hospital indemnity coverage. Legal Shield gives you the power to talk to any attorney about any personal legal issues and offers identity theft protection. The City of Burleson is committed to its team members' physical and mental well-being. As part of this commitment, we are proud to provide a comprehensive wellness program at no cost to you. Our program features even include discounts and reimbursements, so your finances also benefit. Our wellness program allows you to select the activities and programs that best meet your needs and wellness goals. It also provides education and resources so you can make informed decisions regarding your health. You can even earn a wellness day off and get a discount on your medical premium, provided you meet the annual criteria and fill out the wellness form by specified deadlines. We are happy to offer dental coverage through United Healthcare. Did you know your dentist can often tell whether you are at risk for chronic health conditions? It's true. Regular dental checkups can do more than keep your smile attractive. They can also tell dentists a lot about your overall health, including whether you may be at risk for chronic diseases. Keeping your teeth healthy is easy when preventive services, including exams, X-rays, and cleanings, are covered at 100%. Basic services are covered at 80%, and major services are covered at 50% and are subject to the annual deductible. Preventive, basic, and major service coverage is subject to the annual benefit maximum limits. Based on how much dental coverage you think you'll need throughout the plan year, you can select the base plan or buy-up plan. The buy-up plan offers a higher orthodontia lifetime maximum and annual benefit maximum for an increased premium. We are happy to offer vision coverage through UHC, administered by Spectera. Not only can yearly eye exams protect your eyes, they can help detect signs of serious health conditions like diabetes, brain tumors, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Our vision coverage includes annual eye exams, new eyeglass lenses, or contact lenses each year. You can use your $150 annual allowance to get new frames each year. Medically necessary contacts are covered at 100% each year. Here is your summary of the vision plan coverage, including lens copays or reimbursements, depending if your provider is in or out of network. Remember, you typically pay less when using in-network providers. Now that we've discussed your health benefits, let's move on to your financial well-being. Because we believe that your financial well-being is just as important as your physical health, we offer basic life and accidental death and dismemberment, or AD&D coverage through Symetra, to help you maintain financial security. The benefit payment for basic life and AD&D insurance equals 2 times your annual base salary, up to $300,000. This coverage, which is fully funded by the city, helps make sure your loved ones are financially secure for the future. In addition, first responders receive a line of duty benefit if they become injured in the process of performing their regular occupational duties. The first responder benefit is payable one time per covered accident, per person. The city also provides your eligible spouse and children with a life insurance benefit of $10,000 each at no cost to you. Simply add your dependents in the benefit system to ensure they are automatically covered with city-provided basic life insurance. Short-term and long-term disability are offered through Symetra. These benefits provide coverage for certain injuries and illnesses that prevent you from working. These are city-paid benefits. You don't pay a dime. Short-term disability can replace 60% of your weekly base earnings, so you can use less sick and vacation leave to make up the other 40%. There is a 7-day elimination period. Then short-term disability can cover you up to 90 days. There is no elimination period for maternity leave. Long-term disability can replace 60% of your annual base salary after a 90-day elimination period. You may also elect to pay for supplemental life insurance beyond what the city provides for yourself, your spouse, and children. These charts help show how your loved ones will be financially secure for the future. Remember, your life insurance benefit will begin decreasing starting at age 65. The age reduction chart illustrates how your benefit will be reduced as you age. Your financial health is an important part of your overall health. Our financial programs, including the Texas Municipal Retirement System, or TMRS, look out for your future. If you work 1,000 hours or more per year, you are required to participate in TMRS. Your required contribution is 7%, and the city will match with 14%. To help you in retirement, the city will match your contributions 2 to 1. So for every dollar you put in, the city will put in 2. After 5 years of service, you are 100% vested in your account, meaning when you retire, you will receive your contributions and the city's match. You can retire after 20 years of service, or after 5 years of service if you are at least 60 years old. TMRS even provides a death benefit of 1 times your annual salary and an occupational disability provision. To help you save for retirement, the city offers optional retirement plan options. You can begin contributing to a 457 deferred compensation plan and/or Roth immediately. There is no waiting period. All employees, both full-time and part-time, can participate in these plans. You contribute to the 457 plan through payroll deductions, which reduces your taxable income. You can also invest your funds to help them grow. You contribute to your Roth through after-tax funds, which then grow tax-free. Unlike the 457 plan, any funds you withdraw from your Roth are tax-free. There's no reason to wait. You can start saving in each plan for as little as $10 per pay period. We care about your work-life balance. So now, let's talk about what options are available to you. We understand that it can be difficult to manage family, work-related, and personal issues. That's why we offer an EAP at no cost to you. To help guide you through difficult situations, EAP professionals work with you as you search for solutions. The program is completely confidential and can help you work through issues related, but not limited, to emotional health, conflict, grief and loss, substance abuse, legal and financial issues, adolescence, and other personal concerns. The EAP offers 6 counseling visits per issue, no matter how many issues you have in a given year. If you need more sessions, you can continue counseling through your medical insurance plan. In order to help you keep the right work-life balance, the city offers the following features. Full-time employees are eligible for 10 paid holidays per year with no waiting period. Full-time employees are eligible for vacation time, which begins accruing on your start date and can be used following 6 months of service. Full-time employees are eligible for sick leave, which begins to accrue on your start date. Sick leave can be used once you have completed 2 months of service. Full-time employees who are eligible for FMLA can use our 2-week paid parental leave twice over the course of their career. We realize bonding time is important, which is why parental leave is paid. The time you take off will not affect your sick and vacation leave banks. Eligible employees receive other paid time off, including bereavement, jury duty, and military leave for qualifying events with no waiting period. Longevity pay. If you are a non-public safety employee and reach 5 years of service with the city, you are eligible for $4 per month for each year of service, based on your first month of employment. Sworn public safety employees receive longevity pay after 1 year of service as required by state law. Tuition reimbursement. We offer a tuition reimbursement per semester, up to a predetermined limit. This limit is set each budget year for applicable classes or degree plans after you meet the waiting period. Details can be found on the Employee Forms page or by contacting HR. Cemetery plot. You can purchase cemetery plots for you and your eligible family members at the Burleson Memorial Cemetery through Lucas and Blessing Funeral Home. You can pay for these plots through payroll deductions over a 12, 24, or 36-month period. Terminal Pay Beneficiary. This is a form we would like all employees to have on file. This form allows you to authorize your final paycheck to go to a designated beneficiary in the event of your death. Simply fill out the Terminal Pay Beneficiary Designation form and submit it to Human Resources. Update your information as needed to ensure there is no delay or dispute regarding the distribution of your final paycheck. We are proud to support Johnson County United Way. If you would like to contribute to these organizations, donation elections can be made when you make your insurance selections. Your funds will stay in the community and directly support Johnson County residents. Remember, every dollar counts. Now that we've gone over our benefits program, let's talk next steps. To make your benefit elections, log on to mybentech.com/City of Burleson. You will need to register an account before you can make your elections. Please note that if you want to add dependents to coverage, you must include their Social Security numbers and date of birth, so be sure to have them on hand before starting the enrollment process. If you are a new hire, please ensure you complete your beneficiary elections. You can also review and update your beneficiary information during open enrollment or when you experience a qualifying life event. If you add dependents to your coverage, you will need to provide dependent verification to HR or upload in the Document Center in Bentech within 30 days. Proof includes official documentation. For a spouse, we require a marriage license and your last tax return if you were married prior to the current calendar year. For dependent children, we require a Social Security number and birth certificate. If you have issues with obtaining these documents, please contact HR. Thank you for your time. If you have questions on your benefits or how to enroll, contact HR at 817-426-9642.